Hello, Secret. I'm Chris Wilson, and in this video, we will create your first Secret account in order to start building on the Secret network. We will be building on top of the previous tutorial, so make sure you complete that before you continue on with this one. Let's go ahead and head on over to DataHub, navigate to Secret, scroll down to Tutorial 2, and let's click Start. Time to start building. We are finally ready to jump in and create our Secret network account on the holodeck testnet. Let's go ahead and create a file named create_account.js. Open up our code editor, add file, create_account.js. Let's go ahead and grab the code for it. Paste it in. Control S to save. We'll walk through the code above. We import our SecretJS API and initialize .env, which will load variables from our environment file to become available from process.env. Create randomly generated mnemonic key, which is essentially an account address and list of secret words associated with this account. We'll get a key pair from the mnemonic. We'll get a public key. We'll get a wallet address, an output mnemonic, and ACC address. This is important because we will need to store those values in our .env file to keep safe. Once this file is in place, we can go ahead and run node create_account.js, and we should see our address and our mnemonic pop up. All right. That's kind of funny. So now we have our mnemonic and our address. Now we do want to keep those safe. So let's go ahead and copy those into our note. And we're going to want to format it like this. There's our address. Put address in here. We don't need the carets. And then our mnemonic. And again, don't need the carets. All right, and then we're going to take this bit. And we're going to add that to our .environment file. And then Control S. Now both your address and mnemonic will be available for use in our Node.js scripts. Congratulations, you've just created your secret network account. Notice in the logs that your account is still undefined. That's because locally we generated a wallet, but it has no funds on the network, so it does not exist yet. So we'll go to the faucet to get some test tokens. Put in our address, send me some tokens. Let's go to our account. You can put in your address up here, hit enter, and there we go. Awesome, and as you can see, we do now have some testnet tokens in our account. So now we can go back to DataHub. Next to tutorial 2, click verify. Make sure we did everything correct. Look at that. Great work. You now have an account on the Secret Network holodeck testnet and your secret information stored in the .env file. You also made sure that your account balance is loaded with testnet USCRT. In the next tutorial, we will be looking at different queries we can run against a secret network node to get the information such as blockchain details and account details. As always, if you had any difficulties following this tutorial or simply want to discuss secret network or DataHub tech with us, you can join our Discord in the link down below. I look forward to seeing you there, and until next time, happy coding!